Hey, it's Chris again, and we're doing a review video on, not the cover, which is on the Chevy here. We did something else. What did we do? We did a Bedslide 1000 CL. Let's take a good look at what I'm referring to here. Now, we did do this Bak Flip MX4, but we did that a little while back, so that's nothing new. But now the new thing is going to be the Bedslide in here. Now, as you know, we've done a lot of videos with the Bedslide. I got one in my truck. I had the silver one in my truck, which is right over here, and this is one in black, and I do like the black one. It does match everything really nice. If you notice, because it's not a rolling cover, which is what I might have a folding cover, you do have more space in the back of your Bedslide. So you want to put some bigger items in the back, you can do that. It's not a problem. Let's go here and talk about the Bedslide. Now, it does have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, if we do the installation for you, you get 1 year on the labor. And let me show you how easy. If you look over here, see this right here, you just kind of do that. See how that nice and easy it slides in and out, nothing to it. Now you can stop it. So if I don't want to pull it all the way out, I just can stop right there. Let's say you have to grab your groceries, your golf clubs, or whatever it is, you just pull it out a little bit. But let's say you got something all the way in the back. Well, you push it again, lock it in place. Now you have access to everything back here. And that's a really great thing. Now, if you need one to go further out, they do have one. It's called 100% extension. This one's a 70-30. That means from here to here it's 30, and now here it's 70. So, but they have it where it's 100, so it comes out a little further. Be honest with you, I got the 70-30 in my truck, and it's been really convenient. I haven't had any really need for 100, but you know, it all depends what you're using it for. Some people say, well, I need to get back there all the time, and the 100's more user-friendly to me. All in all, super easy to use. And if you look in here, look how tight everything fits. You're really in there. I mean, they use every inch of space. Now, of course, when people order these from me, we make sure that we get the one that's made for this vehicle. You go in there, it'll tell you which one is made for your vehicle. And they do give you just enough space in case you have a bed liner like this one did. It'll accommodate the extra width of the bed liner. As you can see, it fits in here really, really, really nice. Okay, I love this thing. I like how, if you look here, you can see how it matches the back flip. Same texture, so it looks like it goes together. So cosmetically, it looks good. Of course, the most important thing is function. Again, it's so easy to use it. Locks in place. You go 1,000 pounds, that holds a ton of stuff. They do make ones that go all the way up to 2,000 pounds plus. So if you got some heavier stuff, you can do that. And again, they have the max extension as well. So if you need that as well, that's available. Now you got your rails here. You can have the rails with or without it, sorry. These we obviously put them on, but if the customer wanted to take them off, he can. And it does come with all these tie downs and the rails. That's not extra, that's part of this, which is really quite nice. Sometimes you have to pay extras, but this one comes with that. So now if you say, you know what, Chris, I love this, I want it, how do I get it? Well, give us a call. The phone number is right there on the description of the video, and we'll find the one that fits your vehicle, and we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here in the store and have us do the professional installation. So either way, we'll take good care of you. I love this product. I think it's very, very useful. And again, you see my video with my silver version of this, and I use this thing a lot. I mean, for me, to be honest with you, the most important thing is groceries. I just find it easier because with my truck, my groceries always went to the back. With this, well, it goes to the back, no problem. The back comes to me. So I don't have to worry about if it's rolled up to the back here. Oh, that orange is now all the way up here. Not a problem. I can get it so easy. You'll love this product just like I do. I mean, 5-year warranty, you know, it covers it really good. And we got a 1-year labor guarantee on it as well. Again, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, help us out. Oh, by the way, if you buy this on our website, we now have a firm, which is our finance company. So you don't have to make a one payment on it. You can make multiple payments. So if you want to, you know, pay it over, 3 months, 6 months, or whatever, you go to a firm, they'll take care of it. They'll send us the money, and then we'll send you the parts. Really, really easy. Again, if you have questions, call us. The number's there. The website's on there as well, where you can do a firm. And either way, we can take good care of you. Again, this is Chris doing a review on the Bedslide 1000 CL on a Chevy Silverado. Thank you.